Hey guys, so with the lockdown kind of finally been over and our movement's a bit freer, the caravans have started to happen again. So we've come to Cars and Coffee this morning, going to do a quick walk around, show you a few pictures and clips of the cars that are here, maybe catch some shots of some of them leaving, and yeah, then we've something else to go to afterwards. So I'm going to head up to Cartworld in Watergrass Hill. They have an endurance race up there for step through, so like Club 50s, Club 90s, that kind of stuff. I think it's like a 3 or 4 hour endurance race, so should be interesting. Maybe get some footage there, and yeah, there's bound to be a lot of bikes there as well, so fingers crossed it goes good. Clouds are looking a bit grey, but hopefully the weather is going to hold off, and we'll hope for the best. Morning everybody. So Monday morning, we're on the way to work, back to school days, yada 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 yada. So we had two little whoopsies with this video. First one was, it was supposed to be a two-parter. We were supposed to be heading up to the step through challenge in Watergrass Hill after Cars and Coffee, but both the organisers and myself made a boo-boo. It's nobody's fault. Both parties should have checked better. So the advert we'd seen online for the event said it was on Sunday the 11th. Sunday wasn't the 11th. Sunday was the 12th. I didn't check the date. I just assumed, let's go up on Sunday. That's when these things are usually on. And nothing was happening. We missed it. So we keep an eye out for that. It's something I'd like to see, and hopefully we can catch the next one and bring you a few clips of it. The other thing that went wrong, and this is going to feed into a few other videos that we're doing, is I had intended on recording my first riding clips with voiceover and everything for you to hear. But yeah, it didn't exactly work out. Plan was to use some cameras mounted on the bike and a Bluetooth comms device to record the audio. It failed epically, but it was a good learning experience. And yeah, we have done some research and we're going to take some steps to correct the problem, and we're going to bring you an update video on it really soon. So for now guys, hope you enjoyed the few short clips of Cars and Coffee. Looking forward to the next one already. Great that the country is opening up and we can get out and about in a safe way again and bring you something more than just how-tos and product reviews. So thanks for watching guys. See you all again real soon for the next video.